Danny, have you got a mascot?
Yeah, now... It's a tortoise. Now, you know I'm not a scientist, Jim, right, but...
Thanks for clarifying.
Just, you know, like, these fascinate me, these things, right? Now, I don't know if it's true or not, but I heard, like, their shell, you can shoot it, right? Whack it with an hammer, won't break it, chucks his little nut in. You couldn't eat it, but if you flip it over like that, it dies. Like, within half hour, it gets all stressed out, can't deal with it, right? So if a fox come along, a little clever fox, just flipped it over, give it half hour, cooking time, and then it could munch it out of a bowl. I'm hoping...
It's the only animal that serves itself.
I'm hoping... I feel sorry for it in a way. I think God's a liberty. If he's created a creature you cannot penetrate, but if you flip it over, it's fact. You know, I'm fascinated by him, so that's my little lucky thing. Look at it. Weird-looking thing. I'll just plot it there, or is it going to wind people up?
Yeah, it's getting on mine now.
Oh, come down. I'll be with you in just a minute. How many have you got? Sean, how many have you got?
I've only got 5.
OK. Sharon? You can have some extra time while I get my hawk down.
I'm going to try 6.
4. Oh, come on. Don't be a dick. Calm down. I've got chicken. You love chicken. Come on.
Can I be the first to say I'm going to shit myself if that doesn't happen?
It's more likely to shit than you are, John. Good boy. I think that. Have a little bit of chicken. Lovely. So, sorry, how many have you got, Sharon?
6.
I'm talking to him. Fuck off. Joe, why have you got a bear with you?
Kind of hoping you wouldn't notice that. Well, we met on the train up here, got chatting, he's escaped from the circus or something, and he's a big fan of the show, so he just sort of followed me here.
Well, that's nice.
No, he likes the proper show, he hates all this fucking shit.
Right, so what happened? Why are your clothes all ripped to shreds?
Well, we had a few cans on the way up here, and you know how bears get when they're pissed up. And I made the mistake of taking a bite out of his chicken and mushroom slice. He went fucking mental. Oh, shit. I think he's recognised Rachel off the proper show. He'll probably sniff her, see if he likes her. If he likes her, she's fine. If he doesn't, he'll rip her fucking head off. So this could make quite weird telly. How are you getting on, then? Oh, he's offering you a can. I think he likes her. We're fine.
Thank you. Just the one?
Hey, I wouldn't take all 3.
No.
Sean, have you got a mascot?
Well, I've got more of a tribute, actually. I'd like to say goodbye to someone who's, you know, been close to me in the past. This is Budgie that died in a taxidermy accident. We thought he was asleep. A big sleeper. He's always asleep. That's why it's called dozy. This time it had gone on a bit too long. He was taking the piss, really. Been sleeping for a good week.
Can he show you a card trick he learnt at the circus?
Sure.
Pick a card, but don't show Len.
OK.
Have a look, but don't show Len. Pat,
Should I show the audience?
Get out of it. No, just put it... Do you remember it? Put it back in. Put it back in, anywhere you like.
OK.
Here we go. You like this, Rachel?
OK.
You got them? Oh, wake up. Here we go. Go on, then! Go on, then! Here we go. Go on. All right, mate, don't milk it. That's an absolute prick. Is that your card?
That one?
Yeah.
No.
Of course it's not your card! He's a pissed-up bear! Jesus Christ, he had 8 Chinzanos on the way here. Expect! Look, he hasn't shot himself. Fucking hell. Nice one, Rachel. Go on, budge up. Oh.
Is it a good idea to put a grizzly bear in dictionary corner?
There you go. Sit your fat ass down. Go on.
Hang on. Hang on a sec.
I'm going to take that away. You going to be all right? Do you want to finish your model? He's in the middle of making a little rocking chair out of old pegs. Do you want to finish that? Here you go. That should keep him entertained. He should be all right. Do you want another can? Yeah, all right, have another. There you go. Actually, no, you've had enough, you pisshead.
What have we made that out of?
The weakest bear I've ever seen.
I'm a bit annoyed I lost the fight now. Hangover, kicking it high. Yeah, he's arseholed. That's him done.
Could be the booze. Could just be proximity to Susie.
Yeah, he's just...
Richard, have you got a mascot?
Yeah, I've got a few. So, I've got my lucky thesaurus that I've been through thick and thin with that one. And my lucky calculator. So those are there. Those 2 lucky objects. The last thing
what have you got?
Is this fellow, Tony. I'll just pop there.
Who is Tony?
Tony's a guy I met in the Emirates, and we've really connected, and we've lost touch. So yeah, it's basically if Tony watches this, even if it's on YouTube, just get in touch. I thought we had something. We did have something. I didn't think it. I know we did.
Pretties.
Are you like the Cruella de Vil of cats?
Go on. What have you got, Jason?
6.
6. OK. Sean?
7.
7. John?
Well, I ain't got anything, because someone got a lot of pigs and cats out.
Oh, no, don't jump off. Don't jump off. Don't jump off. No, no, no.
I don't think you thought this through, you.
What's your word, Sean? Sean, what was your word? Sean. What was your word?
Just want to know what have they done? What's their crime? They're in jail.
They're fine.
What I
Just
do...
Get back in! No! What's your word, Sean?
The cat's drinking your water, by the way.
Have you got a mascot?
I do. I have a mascot. Well, it's like clearly a very stressful time. You know, we have got Trump, and you guys are trying to figure out what you have. And, a lot of people have been getting emotional support animals.
It's a good idea, yeah.
Which I decided to do as well, but I was a little behind on the trend, so a lot of the good animals were gone. All the dogs were taken. You couldn't get a dog. They needed them for blind people. And so I have my emotional support animal with me here today.
It's a man.
His name is... So I got a tarantula. His name is
emotional
David.
support
Oh, he's touching it with his hands.
Oh, I mean, I will pay you £100 to put that on John's face.
Yeah.
The other way, please. The other way.
Oh, fuck that. I think it's really time for that conundrum, Jimmy.
Oh, he's sneaking off.
You see a spider, and most of the time they're surprise spiders, you know? So you're like, oh no. But this is just David.
If I saw David in my bath, I'd move house.
Well, but that's because you weren't expecting David in your bath. But if you were like, David, do you want to have a bath? And then David was in there, you'd be like, David, join me for a bath.
He doesn't seem massively fond
But
of you, Michelle.
that's the other thing. I'm still winning him over.
I think David needs a support animal.
I find...
He's off.
Yeah, you can probably... I'm absolutely cool with that.
Michelle, you're not scared of spiders, are you?
No, I've got my David.
As soon as I couldn't see him, I completely lost my mind.
At what point is he going to think, I know I've got 8 legs, this woman has thousands of hands? Step off one, there's another one right there.
I know he's relaxing you, and that's what the emotional support animal's for. I sense that it's maybe putting Rob and John off a little bit.
Sean started rocking.
But I didn't jump on my chair.
Do you want to hold him, Sean?
No, fucking no.
If you want to get a tapeworm, eat some pork. If you want to get a tapeworm, eat some pork.
Oink, oink.
Lamb, chicken, beef, fish or egg. Forget it. You won't get a tapeworm.